Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you about the upcoming Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. This foldable smartphone is set to make waves in the market with its impressive features, cutting-edge technology, and sleek design. Rumors and leaks suggest that the Mix Fold 3 will be one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2023, competing directly with other major foldable devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now, let's dive into the rumored specifications, features, and design of this highly anticipated device. While specific design details are still under wraps, we can expect the Mix Fold 3 to feature a thinner and lighter build compared to its predecessor, the Mix Fold 2. This will make the device more portable and user-friendly, while maintaining its premium and innovative appeal. There are also rumors of a waterproof body, providing additional durability and protection against the elements. The Mix Fold 3 is rumored to sport two high-quality OLED displays with full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The external display is expected to measure 6.5 inches, while the internal display will likely measure 8.02 inches. Both displays are said to have a hole for the front-facing camera, providing a seamless and immersive viewing experience. Additionally, there might be an under-display selfie camera for the main OLED display, further enhancing the device's premium design and visual appeal. Powering the Mix Fold 3 is the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, promising exceptional performance and efficiency. This powerful processor will be complemented by super-fast UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM. Although the exact capacities are yet to be confirmed, considering its predecessor specifications, we can expect a significant performance boost and improved storage capabilities. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of the Mix Fold 3, the camera. It's rumored to have a quadruple camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor, a 50-megapixel periscope sensor, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. If these rumors prove accurate, the Mix Fold 3 could potentially offer a sensational camera experience among foldable smartphones. The Mix Fold 3 is expected to continue the trend set by its predecessor, featuring a battery that supports fast charging at 67W. However, this time around, the device may also introduce wireless charging capabilities, potentially allowing for reverse wireless charging for wearables and other compatible devices. On the software front, the Mix Fold 3 is likely to run on the MIUI 14 interface based on Android 13. This custom interface will provide users with a plethora of features and optimizations tailored for the foldable smartphone experience, ensuring a smooth and seamless operation. In addition to its core specifications and features, the Mix Fold 3 may also include a dust-resistant shell and be available in multiple color options. However, it remains uncertain whether the device will be available for sale outside of China. When it comes to competition, the Mix Fold 3 will undoubtedly face stiff competition from established players in the foldable smartphone market, such as Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. Other potential competitors include devices from Honor, Oppo, and OnePlus, which are also expected to unveil foldable smartphones in 2023. To sum it up, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of foldable smartphones. Its powerful performance, versatile camera system, and innovative design have the potential to revolutionize the market. We're eagerly awaiting more information and possible leaks in the coming weeks and months, so make sure to stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.